How to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on screen mirroring and share your favorite movies, shows, or videos from your iPhone to your TV or other devices. So, let's dive right in. Open up the settings app, head over to general, and then scroll down, and there you find airplay and continuity. Just tap on it, and then once you're there, you need to tap on automatically airplay. And then here, if it is set to never, make sure you set it to ask or automatic based on your preference. Now you will need to swipe down from the top right and access your control center, and then you will need to find two overlapping rectangles for screen mirroring. If it is not here, then you can go to the plus icon in the top left, or you can just press and hold and then tap on add a control. And now you look for two overlapping rectangles. That's called the screen mirroring. Just tap on it, and then it will appear on your controls. Now you have to press on it, and the available devices will appear here, and you just need to connect to it. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.